Hey YouTube, it's LEGO Reviewer bringing you the next day on the Advent calendar. As we all know, so we're gonna get started. The second door is on this little house. Oh, of course, going me, I hate opening doors. Looks of it, it's a chainsaw. Is there anything else in there? No, there's nothing else. So, the door says it's a chainsaw. I want to make sure not to lose anything. Ow, poked myself with my knife. I want to make sure I don't lose anything. By dumping it all on this little board here. Now, by the looks of it, you have to go off what the box says. So, if I screw this up building it, I'm sorry. Let's see. Looks like orange studs go on the side. Blade goes on one in. I guess that's as far as it'll go in. This one goes like that. This one goes like that. And by the looks of it, these little brown things make a stump. A little tree stump to cut. Alright. That looks about right. Anything? It looks like a chainsaw to you? I think it does. That looks like a pretty close to realistic chainsaw. So, yeah. Got a little tree stump that the chainsaw can cut. Yeah. This little stump of a tree, you know. It's pretty basic. It's just like 3 little brown pieces put together to look like a... Yeah, it's pretty basic. And then a chainsaw, you got this piece to be like the blade. I guess you got like where you hold it, these things where you hold it. I guess one of these has like a little thing to start it on. I'm not sure what the studs would be. Like, I'm honestly not sure what they would be. But you know, you could. This looks actually pretty cool. You could put this with like if you have the caravan, the Car and Caravan from the Great Vehicles section. You can put that in this section. This could go good with that. Or if you had the old camper, I guess, like I do. I don't have the Car and Caravan. I hope I get it for Christmas. But I guess if you have that, it goes good with that. But I hope you enjoyed. And see you tomorrow for the next door. And there's the next door. See ya.